Hi, it's Nikki here. So the first talk of the second day of the World of Learning exhibition was meant to be about augmented memory, and I was looking forward to this one because it was all about tips for reducing the forgetting curve. Sounded really interesting. Turned out to be quite a different session to what I was expecting, partly because of the fact the lady that was meant to be presenting it was unfortunately taken ill. So they'd asked somebody to stand in on her behalf. Now, what was fascinating about this is a chap called Blake Hannigan from Optimist Learning, who stood in at a moment's notice and in true L&D style just kind of winged it with a microphone, asking lots of questions. So there was two kind of learning points for me from this. One is, what do you do in that scenario as an L&D professional when somebody says to you, can you stand in? Do you try and make it about the topic that was originally intended, or do you actually try and make it your own? I think Blake kind of did a little bit half and half, and what that did was it engaged people in a slightly different conversation. And part of the conversation, because we were meant to be talking about retention and memory, was, do we need to? As a society of people who learn a lot by using video, Google, search engines, and just asking colleagues on the spot, how much information do we actually need to retain? Particularly when you're talking about policies and processes and having to know things inside out. Are we asking too much from our employees? How vital is it that they know all that stuff off the top of their heads, rather than building in some kind of functionality that says, right, I need to know this, this is where I find it. So yeah, so 2 points from that. One was just about being an L&D professional, thinking on your feet and how to deal with it, and the other one was, are we asking too much of people in terms of retention of the information? So I'm off to my last session of the day now. I'll report back to that soon, and I'll catch you all later. Cheers now.